Hey, what's up Digibyte holders? So this is the latest update of Digibyte going to what's going on in the current condition, my friend. Is going to be fails down or moving upward. Exactly, Digibyte is very fastly moving upward, especially in the first week. They completely go to the moon, my brother. But as you can see here, the first week is absolutely, you can see here after a first week, you can see here they fails down very badly. You can see this time the last 1 hour chart is on the screen, and this is the latest chart. You can see, my brother, the latest update. You can see here last 1 hour is absolutely will be negative. You can see 0.85% the price will decrease now and fails down. So it's mean, my brother, you can see that after a short jump they also fails down, but definitely after a fails they also take a very good jump. So it's mean to upcoming times they move upward. So definitely you need to hold, and remember my all holder brother, this is not a financial video. I just give you advice, my brother. Kindly subscribe this channel for more this type informative video. Let's check out, my friends, the prediction to upcoming times they move upward or they fails down. Kindly subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much. Okay, as you can see, my brother, I draw a two lines, and after this you understand, my brothers, to they moving upward or they fails down. You can see, my friends, every cryptocurrency is moving in this circulation. After a fails they take a jump. You can see here like that, and absolutely after a jump they fails down like that. So it's mean to after this fails they also take a very good jump. So I hope, my friends, in upcoming times they move upward very fastly. So you need to hold and wait for the end of month. I hope they will give you very good profit at the end of month. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video, also subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. The good time is soon, so you need to hold.